Samsung Health, your all-in-one fitness and wellness tracker that helps you stay on top of your health. Welcome to Tekzoid, where we simplify tech for you. Today, we're breaking down Samsung Health, what it does, how to use it, and whether it's worth installing. What is Samsung Health? Samsung Health is Samsung's official health and fitness app that tracks activity, workouts, sleep, stress, and overall wellness on your phone or Galaxy Watch. Originally, S Health 2012, it's now a full fitness companion for Samsung and some Android devices. What you can do with Samsung Health. With Samsung Health, you can track steps, calories burned, and workout time. Monitor heart rate, stress levels, and sleep quality. Log food, water intake, and weight progress. Set daily goals for activity and fitness. Join global step challenges with friends, and sync data across your Galaxy phone, smartwatch, or even some third-party apps. Is Samsung Health free? Yes, Samsung Health is completely free. Download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Most features are free, though advanced metrics like ECG require compatible Galaxy watches. How to use Samsung Health app. Getting started is easy. Download Samsung Health, allow permissions, and set up your profile. View steps, calories, activity, and sleep on the home screen. Log workouts, meals, water, and weight manually. Pair your Galaxy Watch for automatic tracking of heart rate, sleep, and stress. Receive personalized insights as Samsung Health learns your habits. Samsung Health compatibility. Works on most Samsung Galaxy phones and Android devices. Android 6.0 or newer. Available on iOS, though with limited features. Best experience with Galaxy watches like the Watch 6 or Watch Ultra. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So, do you use Samsung Health daily, or do you prefer another fitness app? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest tech explainers from Tekzoid. This is Tekzoid, where we simplify tech for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.